Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
The issue of giving order and counter order is that we that are involved in this Biafra agitation have information that many people don't have. And it is not every information we release to the public. So having noticed that the people who facilitated the kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did it in order to end Biafra, in order to continue to subjugate Ndi Igbo, you people are talking about now, to slavery in Nigeria, we went into action to make sure that this Biafra agitation and the plight of Ndi Igbo did not die. It is because of that that made people to begin to support P2B. If we did not rise up to defend the legacy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra agitation, nobody will be talking about it now, and nobody will support P2B because Nigeria government will believe they have defeated Biafra. So you will not even summon courage to support P2B because you don't have the
Master Ball say so now. Master Ball say so one them. But even you, even as
address you, please.
You could just watch it.
Because
even as we are,
can I address you?
Go ahead.
Now, if we did not do what we did by making sure we pick it up from there, by now you will not even summon the courage because this particular multitude of people that are following P2B without PVC will not do it. These Guinea people and all these comedians in Facebook that are supporting P2B because of Biafra will not do it, but because they see that the idea of kidnapping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not work again. So they have to do something. And some of them are being sponsored. Now, why we are giving this order is to make sure that the legacy and the restoration of Biafra become our only goal. As you are planning to vote, we are planning to exit. And because, yes, and because, so for that reason, when we give order according to what we have been doing in the past, they counter it. Now, the question is asking yourself now is that, why are they countering order they did not give? Did we say that they're the one who give the order? It's because the Nigerian politicians who have corrupted them, hijacked them, will be the one because they feel they have the power to counter the order, but they don't know that Biafra have left them because they continue to deceive them. You know that before Anambra election, listen, before Anambra election, money were paid before they canceled that election, before they canceled that seat at home. That they threatened 1 week seat at home, the IPOB leadership, and money was paid, which we have evidence, and I have made a program on that. They confessed of receiving 40 million naira to cancel, to write a letter, say they have canceled the sit at home. So now we pick it up from there, and then each time we order something, they counter it. So the question is, the people that are countering it, why do they counter it? The people that are telling people to come outside, that are going to be protected, why are they countering it? Why did they not?
Yes.
That is the question.
That's the listen. Because just 1 minute. Just take 1 minute of it. Nnamdi Kanu used to do this thing when he was free. Nah, broadcast of what is now many people acquaint. Let me tell you honestly, from my own side, what motivated this call or this dialogue that they want to dialogue with you. I would like you, or maybe it's not on order because we can, refuse email or get mail. But Atom and with him now, that and every other person, including everybody that is in this forum, including those that are not in this forum, in this news today, that even you as a person, because now or IPOP or I'm gonna boss that now you has been also been bribed or been by Nigerian government into intentionally disorganize Biafran land, to intentionally put chaos in the Biafran land so that even Obi wouldn't make a headway. Will you deny that before all the members, all these people, will you swear with whatever that is very, very important to you that you have never you will never be involved in such a thing?
Before you finish, if I have ever discussed with anybody about destroying an Igbo or disenfranchising P2B for somebody else to win, let me know 1st January 2023.
That's one.
But another thing, if I have ever collected money from anybody, not just from anybody in the name of destroying Alibo so that somebody will become a president, let me not also see the 1st of January 2023. If I have ever discussed with Tinubu, discussed with anybody close to Tinubu, or even contacted anybody that have anything to do with Tinubu and discussed about how to disenfranchise P2B in the name of, let me not see the 1st of 2023. If I have
thank you very much. Thank you very much. I've heard everything about the I want to leave this Zoom because I have somebody that.
No. Kennedy, wait. Don't leave. Chairman, Kennedy, check it small because
everybody will hold on. If I have ever spoken with Umahi, like in my life, if I have ever spoken with Umahi in my life, let me not see 1st of January 2023. Because some of you don't know who are, you people just because we are in Finland. I know my principles. I know what I do. If I have ever spoken with Umahi, or that Umahi contacted me, or Umahi gave me 1 naira for anything, let me not see 1st of February, January 2023. But if all these things they are accusing me, and some people are those people who carry this news, and some people, some of you that are believing it here, I will not say that. I'm not going to say that people are going to die, but deal with everyone here who are crucifying me.
It is my duty to explain to you what that message is all about. It is the message of freedom. This say, if you are a true Biafran, anywhere you are, and somebody walk up to you and greet you, Happy New Year, your response to the person should be Biafra 2023. If he greets you Happy New Year, turn back and respond to the person Biafra 2023 to complete the complete statement. Happy New Year, Biafra 2023. Happy New Year, Biafra 2023. Happy New Year,
Biafra 2023.
That is how you should respond to the person. Because this is the year of total freedom. We have told you that we are not joking. But the good news is also that this 2023 is the year that all the politicians in Southeast, South will be running for their dear life. Do you hear me clearly? Let me repeat myself. This is also the year that all the politicians in South, Southeast, in fact, the politicians in Eastern region will be running for their dear life. But they will have nowhere for hiding. They will have nowhere for hiding. This year, 2023, Nigeria is already ended. We are just opening the new chapter of the new nation, Biafra. This is the year we will all be waiting for. This is the year of freedom. This is the year of freedom. This is the year of freedom. Nothing can stop us. You will never stop us. We are coming out for you. We are coming out for you. I've told you that your end have come. Nigeria, your ends have come. I want to mention some people specifically that they must not live to see next year. Mark my word. They will never live to see next year. Hope Uzorima. We will hang you on the street of Biafra and you will beg for death and you will die in pain gradually. For mine. Soludo. Otto Eze. All of you, governors, all of you, bad politicians in certain region of Nigeria, your days are over. We are coming for you. Sleeping in the barrack will never save you because even army barrack will be destroyed. We are coming for you. We are coming for you. We are coming for you. And you think we are joking, but the spirit of Biafra will hand over you into our hand, life, and we will twist life out of you gradually. Mark my word, your days are over. I don't wish to have a long broadcast this morning. I just came to inform you of those few information I gave out to you. Happy New Year, Biafra 2023. Happy New Year, Biafra 2023. As you are shouting this in the street, in the church, in your house, in your working place, Chukwu Kikabiama will keep you safe to give the testimony of this new nation called Biafra. In Chukwu Kikabiama name, I've prayed.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.